Hi all, welcome to Magic E-Learning.
Now we are going to see what is dataset over here.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
So today we are going to see completely regarding towards algorithm based. So how the classification is done using algorithm. Okay. SVM, it is nothing but known as support vector machine. So from that particular support vector machine, by using the vector values, here we will be able to predict the particular kinds of functions. Okay, so this can be used for object based or image based classifications, and at the same time regression based classifications. So for prediction analysis also this can be used. So now I'm going to open my Colab, open that particular code. Yeah. So here with the packages now till this day, with whatever we have seen, by using that particular package only, here we are going to start. So this particular thing, it is not a classification of muffins and cupcakes. Okay. So with that particular muffins and cupcakes, like here I have some that particular data set. This is self-created data set only. So here I have given the type. So according to me, there are two types. And for that particular type, these are the ingredients. So with these ingredients, the level of the ingredients only these measurements. So how much ratio these kinds of ingredients should be added for the respective food item. Okay. So here we are providing that some of the, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 are there. From this 8, we'll be taking only 2, and therefore we'll be able to predict what kind of food based on the ratio of ingredient. So that kind of machine learning only we are going to create with the help of support vector machine. So support vector machine, it is nothing but the machine is able to classify some sort of data set from the data set using its vector values. So vectors are nothing but the unit direction. By using the hyperplane function, here we will be able to find it, and there are some of the formulas also which is written over here to find out the hyperplane of this particular classification. So for that, here I am going to take the function known as pandas, numpy, and sklearn. So here today we are going to see the new package known as sklearn. Sklearn, it is known as scikit-learn. This particular package will be having all the algorithms, not basic, all the algorithms for machine learning, like decision tree, logistic regression, naive bias. So like that, each and every types of algorithms are provided over here, and also a simple neural network is also available in this particular sklearn. So by using this particular package only, here we are going to import our SVM. So after that, matplotlib, everyone knows we are going to plot that particular data. C1 also similar to that only. So here we won't be using any of the pickle functions. Okay. So first we have to import the data. Is now everyone clear with how to import data using pandas? So is this particular thing new to you? Okay. So I'm happy for that. So here we are just reading that particular CSV file from the pandas. Okay, so first I have to upload the data. Click on file. Now our Google Colab is connecting with the server. Let us wait till it gets connected. Yeah. So click on upload files. And this uploading file is also, it is not new to everyone. So here I have uploaded that file. So after uploading, we have to run cell by cell. Okay, so after that we have to read the data. Then here we are going to plot it inside the graph sections. So here what are the plot it is going to take means how many muffins and how many cupcakes are there. Only that statistic. So for that particular plotting, here we are taking two datas. One is flour and another one is sugar. So based on the ratio of these two things only, here we are going to classify this particular product. So this blue color indicates the cupcake, red color indicates the muffin. And here we are defining that particular ingredients in the name of recipes. So that particular recipes is defined over here previously. So from that recipes, we are taking only these two values and stored into ingredients. And here we are generating the label for muffin as 0 and for cupcake as 1. So if only one variable we are only one label we are going to create means the other one will be automatically printed. Okay. Then using that features of recipes. So here we are taking all the column values. It is taking that complete from that particular sheet. So all the recipes are printed. So why we are taking all the recipes means in case if you want to change means that is also applicable over here. And finally, we are just applying the SVM section. So this is the user defined variable. So users only defining this variable instead of this. If you provide A, B, C, no problem at all. So here it is given as model, and this is known as support vector machine, and this is known as support vector consoles. So by using this particular two functions only, here we will be able to find out the classification, and that data will be taken in the form of linear. Okay. So now once we run this, so here we have to run that. Yeah, fine. So now what and all it has been trained to the model means one is ingredients and another one is label. So both the things has been uploaded towards the machine training. Now we have to calculate the hyperplane over here. So this is nothing but the formula for hyperplane, and this is nothing but separating the parallel space from the hyperplane. Okay, so this is for the dotted line and this is for the hyperplane over here. So this kind of functions only here we will be able to use it, and the formula is nothing but the coefficient of model. So the zeroth parameter is taken as W, and therefore first person, the first array, it is being divided with zeroth position. So that is named as variable A. So here using XX we are calculating the line space, and using YY we are calculating the all the function. And to calculate the hyperplane, here we will be using this A cross XX model intercept of zeroth position by first position. Then to get that particular parallel, here we have to apply the support vector function. So therefore the upper value as well as the down value. So what the change will be there means the position. So the position of down it comes with 0, and the position of upper value it comes with -1. Okay, so now let us run this. And finally we are going to plot whatever the data that has been obtained for hyperplane. So by using hyperplane we have divided two objects. Okay, so from that now we are going to take in the form of the line space measurement, and from this particular measurement the prediction will be applied. Okay, so the prediction application should be done on the basis of input parameters of the level of flour and sugar. So for that here we are creating the function DEF muffin or cupcake. So within bracket the parameters will be taken as flour, sugar. If the predicted model equal to 0, then it is muffin, else it is cupcake. So here we have to call the function muffin or cupcake given it as 25, 25. So first it comes for flour, second it comes for sugar. So already the previous version, the previous time whenever I ran this code, it was in the form of cupcake. Now let us take the data. So for 50 it is not available. So again according to the data ratio whatever we have given, it is for cupcake. Let us try 50 once again, and therefore it is taking the muffin recipe. So how it is able to split up the data means based on whatever we have provided. So from that particular data set only it is able to classify. So the same thing only here also it is repeated. So this is for the plotting that particular functions. Okay, the same thing only. So this is nothing but to convert the data into encoded or embedded models in the form of dictionary. So whatever the data we have collected and classified, it will be converted into pickle format. So this is known as the pickle format. I think import pickle we have seen in the starting of the packages. So by here itself the program gets ended. The others is the repeated portion.
If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.